Good morning, ma'am. We're from the Italian Notebook. We have an interview with you.
Oh, sure, the sign notebook. Come. Welcome to my house. Have a seat.
It's an honor to be here.
Yeah.
So, how are you, ma'am?
I'm okay.
Okay, so let's start with being the first female president of our country. How do you feel about it?
Well, I'm so grateful that the Filipinos voted me and have trust in me to be their president. And I didn't expect it because fighting against Marcos, who is very powerful that time, is very difficult. And I didn't imagine that I will be a president someday.
Have you already moved on from your deceased husband?
Actually, I don't think so because when remembering the moments with him, I feel so lonely, sad, and cry at night. So I just focus to the needs of my fellow Filipinos and just to serve them. And I'm happy because I have my son and daughter.
That really shows that you're a loyal wife, not only to your husband, but to the nation as well. Among these disturbances in your life, what makes Cory Aquino a woman to lead the nation?
Well, I'm not here in this stage without the support of my Filipinos. First, I gained public sympathy generated by the assassination of my husband, Ninoy Aquino, on August 21, 1983. And I have a sincerity to my perceptible and believable and possible translation of